Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am SilynthiaC Budgets and blogs. I'll link our shop, as well as a freebie for the month of November down below. Also for the month of November, I did join a collaboration where we are just supporting each other's channels, running playlists and showing love to new channels, old channels, just being supported. What are we doing today? We're going to go ahead and stuff my bills and my weekly expenses. Last week I had some snow days. So my paycheck was very, very small. So next week we're going to be looking at a little bit better paycheck because we're expecting pretty decent weather, so I should be working every single day. But since this check was so small, I did adjust my budget. I'm just going to have to figure out what I'm doing at this, from this point on. What we're stuffing is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 270, 280, 285, 90, 95, 300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have $320 that we are working with today, and we are going to stretch our dollars. I am not giving up on my savings challenge. I may have an IOU, which I can live with. I just really was not interested in having one, but I'm going for it. All right. I pulled out my calculator because I thought I was going to need it. But let's get started with our bills. I have my little chicken scratch next to me like I always do. Rent, we're starting with $180 for rent. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80. So, yes, I really cannot afford to be missing work. Same as anybody else, because most people that I know that are working part-time don't have a whole lot of money put aside. So hopefully next year I will be in a way better position because I'm starting my goals early, and I have goals for an emergency fund, things like that. So when I am low on funds like this week, I could easily pull from that money. But so far in rent, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, $620 is what I have for rent. Now, I do have 2 more paychecks to fully fund my rent, and hopefully I get it all squared away. Utilities. Utilities, I went ahead and made that payment. It's getting $10 today. Internet is getting $20 because this payment, I believe, is due next week, and we want to make sure we have this money at $20, $40, $60, $70. So when this money, next week, that payment should come out because it's on an auto pay. I'll have this money, put it into the account, and be ready to go. My phone bill is not getting anything this week. Car insurance is going to get a whopping $20, which now has 20, 40, 60. Next up, subscriptions is getting $10. And I believe I needed to pull the change from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so I'm going to take this $10 and then I'm actually going to put a 20 here because I did not have exact denominations. Memberships, I made that payment to the YMCA, so that's empty and it's not getting anything today. This last envelope is actually student loans, but it's not for my student loans. I have my savings challenge in there. Oopsies. But I'm going to come back to that because the savings challenge I like to do last. So let's go ahead and stuff. Look at my cute little Harry Potter glasses. My job had a Harry Potter week at work, so I thought, how cute, I'll set them up since I'm using my Harry Potter binder. All right. Sorry, I get all excited about it. Mommy is getting $10. And I thought about adjusting my spending for the week, but we struggled staying inside and missing basketball games and things like that for my kiddos, and then soccer was canceled, and so you know, we just were really just stuck inside. The kids did go outside and play in the snow, but other than that, like, we didn't do anything or go anywhere. So I want to just try to make sure if we do decide to do something this week, we have a couple bucks to do it. Gas getting $20. And I heard it through the grapevine. The gas went back down again. So I am going to check on that and get me some gas. Like I said, either way, I got to get gas, whether it's cheaper or not. $10 going into household. I do have my list ready to go. So I will just throw this binder in my purse and get to the store and buy the things on my list. Pets getting $10, 5 and 10. And my dog is still eating the cat food. The cat is not eating the dog food as much. I think the only time I've seen him really just go after the dog's food is if his bowl is empty and it's not dinner time, but he wants a snack. He'll go to the dog's food, but my dog is going to eat all the cat's food. All right. So my kiddos are getting $10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what I decided 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is that this week I'm not going to give them anything specific, that we are going to take my $10, their $10, and we'll probably grab like you know, something to eat, a fast food restaurant or something this week, since we haven't done that in a while and they've been asking. So we'll see, but that's the plan. My last miscellaneous envelope is for laundry. We're going to put $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And I've been going on Tuesday. When I missed that laundromat trip on Tuesday, I have to pay dearly. So I want to make sure I continue going on Tuesday. All right, so I don't know if my Harry Potter jazz is going to still be in frame, but we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, $10 that we are working with to put into our savings challenge. Now this is the monthly savings challenge for the month of November, and this savings challenge is a freebie, which I will link down below if you're interested in grabbing it. I did print it a few times. I gotta find the one I was actually working on. Which one was it? Okay, so I'll set this one off to the side. This is the one I'm actually working on. So I decided this month I was going to do a roll and save, which is really brave of me because that's not typically what I do, because roll and save is so tricky. And I do not even have an IOU slip, so I guess if I have an IOU, I'll write it on the back of my savings challenge because, okay, we're not going to look for it. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. So this is the money I already have saved. This is what we're stuffing. We have $10 to work with, and we're starting off with $6. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. You know what? I said I was going to be brave. I'm second guessing my bravery, but we're putting $6. 2, 4, 6, which totally means that I only have $4 left over here. And I mean, okay, well, the worst it could be is $4 of an IOU, right? No, $2 of an IOU because I have $4. Duh, math is not mathing. Okay, so hopefully we don't roll another 6. Hopefully we roll a 4. I mean, a 3. Okay, that means we're going to have an IOU, possibly $5. Okay, so we are adding 2 and 3. Oh, gosh. Okay. Oopsie, I did that wrong. Let's see. 2. Trying to make sure it's in order. I have $1 left. Last week I rolled a 1. What are the odds of me doing it twice? 4. Okay, so I am going to write 4 here, right? Because that's important. But I'm also going to write my IOU of $3. IOU $3 for next week because I'm going to go ahead and add this $1. Dang it. Okay, I didn't have very much to work with this week. I refuse to not participate this week in my savings challenges. I did print it 3 times with the hopes of getting it done, but we have 2 more weeks to see what we can do. This money is going into my Christmas binder for my PTO, the time I'm paying myself to take off so I can have that Christmas break with my kiddos. So we have 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. We have $46. Yes! We have $46 saved at this time, which is phenomenal because it's more money than I originally had saved, right? So that's the point. We want to make sure we're saving and trying to hit our goals. My prayer is that next year I'm in a little bit better shape in terms of my spending and my saving and hitting my goals and things like that. I'm just going to go ahead and put this away. But I want to thank all of you so much for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. You guys, grab the freebie. Talk to you next time. Bye, guys.